and overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 12, verse 10. And there was a famine in the land, and Abram went down into Egypt and sojourned there. For the famine was grievous in the land. So during the time of Abram, there is a famine in the land of Canaan. And the only land that is not affected by the famine, or should I say, we say El Nino. So, so they suffer from El Nino, and the only land that is not affected by during the El Nino was the land of Egypt. So, Abraham and his family and his wife go to the land of Egypt. But we all knew what happened there at Egypt, what happened in the old world and biblical Israelites, that they became slave in Egypt, and because they became a slave, God do something, and we all knew what happened there. And of course, because the land of Canaan is the promised land for the Israelites, God do something for those slaves of the Egypts go to the land of Canaan.